Good morning, children. Again, back with the same topic, chromatography. We have done the video. You have seen the video. Now we will do the same topic from your NCERT. So you have to pay attention. Already you know what we have to do with the experiment part. Now you see, take a thin strip of filter paper as we had done in the video also. This is the thin strip of filter paper. Now you have to draw a line on it using a pencil approximately 3 centimeter above the lower edge. Now you see they have also drawn a line here. You see the line drawn, and how much should be the distance? It should be 3 centimeter, right? Then what you have to do is you have to put a drop of ink. Now the ink is always a mixture, remember it. आपने देखा होगा कि when you go for dyeing, आपने कभी पगड़ी का कपड़ा डाई कराया या चुन्नी का कपड़ा डाई कराया, तो आप जब डायर के पास जाते हो आपने देखा होगा कि वो एक पतीला रखता है, उसमें गर्म पानी डालता है और वो बहुत सारे कलर्स के उसके पास कलेक्शन है, एंड वो बहुत सारे कलर्स में से 3-4 कलर्स मिक्स करके एक पर्टिकुलर बनाता है कलर, है ना. One color is made up of a mixture of many colors. तो this is what we have to do here. हमें वो mixture of colors में से अलग अलग colors separate करने हैं. Suppose black color को बनाने के लिए suppose 4 colors use हुए, color A, B, C and D. तो chromatography is a technique जिसमें हम ये चारों कलर्स अलग अलग सेपरेट कर सकते हैं, राइट. दिस इज द टेक्निक. तो हमने क्या करना है, हमने जो भी आपने इंक लिया है या डाई लिया है या मिक्सचर ऑफ इंक ली है, जैसे उस एक्सपेरिमेंट में जो अभी आपने देखा, देयर वाज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ ब्लू एंड रेड इंक. सो वी हैव टेकन दैट इंक एंड हम एक ड्रॉप जो है वी विल पुट इट ऑन द लाइन. We will put that drop on this line, right, in the center. Now we will allow it to dry. When it is dried, what we will do, we will take a beaker. You see, we have taken a beaker. We will put some water in this beaker. Now what we will do is, we will take this filter paper strip and we will put this filter paper strip in the beaker, and you will have to pay attention that your line should not come in contact with the water. ध्यान रखनी है. क्या करना है, फिर से बोल रही हूँ इन हिंदी. When you will put this filter paper in the beaker, आपने ये ध्यान रखना है कि जो ये लाइन है जिसपे आपने इंक रखी है, डाली है, that should be away from the water in the beaker. मतलब line should not dip into the water. You have to remember this, and then you will leave it undisturbed. Now after some time what you will see, because filter paper का काम क्या है, water soak करता है. Filter paper soaks the water. तो after some time what you will see is, filter paper ने water soak किया तो water will rise in the filter paper. So when water will rise in the filter paper, you will see small shades of different colors will be seen on the filter paper at a particular distance. Suppose ये वाली ink जो है ये 4 कलर से बनी है, तो आपको 4 shades नजर आएंगे filter paper पे. 4 अलग अलग शेड्स फिल्टर पेपर पे एट अ पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस नजर आएंगे. अंडरस्टूड. सो क्या हुआ, सेपरेशन हो गई ना. 4 डिफरेंट कलर्स गॉट सेपरेटेड. 4 डिफरेंट कलर्स गॉट सेपरेटेड ऑन द फिल्टर पेपर. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर सेपरेटिंग ना, वी आर सेपरेशन ऑफ डाई इन द ब्लैक इंक यूजिंग क्रोमेटोग्राफी. सो वी सेपरेटेड ऑल द कलर्स. If black ink is made up of 4 colors, so we have separated them. Now children, the important part here is, the ink that we use has water as the solvent and dye is soluble in it. Now you will pay attention here. First question, your first question is this. Today's first question: is the dye in black ink a single color? This is your question. And this is your answer. You have to write the whole activity. You have to draw the diagrams also, and you will also write this line: the ink that we use has water as the solvent and dye is soluble in it. ठीक है, till here you have your answer is till here. Again I am repeating, today's first question is, Is the dye in black ink a single color? This is your question. Your answer starts from here. Take a thin strip. You will write the whole thing. You will draw the diagrams and you will also write this line. The ink that we use has water as the solvent and dye is soluble in it. Till here is your first answer. So now your first question and your first answer is completed, right? Now let's move on. Let's see. As the water rises, now children, dye. What is dye? Dye is a mixture. If I ask you dye किस चीज का mixture है, तो you will say ma'am dye is a mixture of water. Sorry, ink is a mixture of water and dye. Okay. If I ask you what is ink, you will say ink is a mixture. तो मैं आपसे पूछूंगी ink किस चीज का mixture है? So you will say water which is solvent and dye which is solute. So ink is a mixture. Okay, now as the water rises on the filter paper, it takes along with it dye particles. जैसे जैसे water filter paper में rise करता है, तो water के साथ साथ dye particles भी ऊपर rise करते हैं. तभी तो you get different colors. Okay, you get different colors at a different place. Okay, so usually a dye is a mixture of 2 or more colors. The colored component, now you have to underline from here. The colored component that is more soluble in water rises faster, and is this way the colors get separated. So now your next question number 2. Today's question number 2. Write down the question number 2. The question is, what is the principle on which chromatography is based? Again I am repeating. What is the principle on which chromatography is based? So the answer is here. The colored component that is more soluble in water rises faster, and in this way colors get separated. So this is the principle for chromatography. Okay, second question done. Third question. This process of separation of components of a mixture is known as chromatography. Now this technique was first used for separation of colors, so the name was given. Chromatography is a technique used for separation of those solutes that dissolve in the same solvent. Now this is your third question from here. From here children, write down question number 3. The question is, what kind of mixtures are separated by chromatography? Question number 3. What kind of mixtures are separated by chromatography? Answer is, chromatography is the technique used for separation of those solutes that dissolve in same solvent. Now to explain this statement children, please pay attention to my words. Children, मैंने यहाँ पर solvent क्या लिया था? What was my solvent? Water was my solvent. And मेरा solute कौन था? Ink यानी dye. राइट अब डाई जो है, सपोज डाई इज, मेरा जो डाई है जो मैंने लिया है कलर, दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 कलर्स A, B एंड C. तो आप देखो तीनों सॉल्यूट A, सॉल्यूट B एंड सॉल्यूट C, तीनों के तीनों का सॉल्वेंट कौन है? सेम, वाटर. तो जब ऐसा मिक्सचर हो जिसमें सॉल्यूट्स बहुत सारे हैं बट सबका सॉल्वेंट सेम है, तो such type of mixtures are separated by chromatography. Again I am repeating. Suppose there are 2 or 3 solutes. Suppose there are 2 or 3 solutes, और अगर दोनों या तीनों solutes का solvent same है ना, तो that type of mixtures are separated by chromatography. Understood? तो question number 3 भी हो गया, answer number 3 भी हो गया. Now, with the advancement in technology, newer techniques of chromatography have been developed. Now you see applications. Where can we use chromatography? So this is your question number 4. So write down question number 4. What are the various applications of chromatography? So you have to write the answer. We use chromatography to separate colors in dye, pigment from natural colors, drugs from blood. ओके अब ये जो ड्रग्स फ्रॉम ब्लड है, आप सोचो पता नहीं कितनी तरह की ड्रग्स होंगी जो बंदे ने ली होंगी, पर वो सब की सब जो ड्रग्स है एक ही सॉल्वेंट में डिसॉल्व हुई है ना, सबका सॉल्वेंट सेम है ना ब्लड। तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में जब सॉल्यूट बहुत सारे हो बट सॉल्वेंट सबका सेम हो, तो वी यूज chromatography. So I hope chromatography is clear to all of you now.